So let's check again after 15 minutes because I already changed side. Ayan. So this is already cooked. Both sides. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. So this is already cooked. Assalamualaikum everyone. Have a blessed Saturday to all. And today is January 17 and today is Saturday. Time check Pakistan time is 10:45 a.m. Today I'm going to make new recipe. So these are all the ingredients. Butter, I will use only 1 tablespoon of Blue Band butter if you have homemade butter, but I don't have, so I will use this commercial butter. And 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup, pinch of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of desiccated coconut or nariyal, they call it here nariyal, this desiccated coconut. And I will use also 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. This is fresh buffalo milk. So now I will start to make this biscuit or cookies, coconut cookies. Now we can put now this butter here in a container. I will add more half. So this is enough. Now this flour. Now this flour I will put here. 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. And then this half teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Mix here in butter. First, I put this vanilla in butter, as you can see, and this salt. And then this sugar, we mix all together here. Sugar. And then this 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida. And then 1 egg, you can use 2 eggs. And then this 1 cup, half cup of desiccated coconut. And 2 tablespoons of fresh milk from buffalo milk. Or you can use commercial. Or we can use 3 tablespoons only. Now we have to mix like this. I add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil because butter is not enough. So I put more cooking oil here. So we have to mix like this. Or you can use your hand to mix. This is the dough of cookies biscuit. Now we have to leave this one for 30 minutes because I have to do something. So we'll cover. Now let's start now to make a balls and 1 scoop of spoon, and then we form a circle And then we have to coat in desiccated coconut and we'll put here in tray. I use this kind of paper cake, this one. Now we scoop 1 spoon. So it will be same size. We form like a biscuit cookies. Now we have to coat now in desiccated coconut. Now we have to put here. I will leave this one for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I have to bake now this one in my unique oven using this sandwich casserole. And this is coconut cookies or coconut biscuit. Sand is already hot. Now we can put now this cookies, coconut cookies. So we'll put now inside. Yan ang aking unique oven. Then we cover it. And then we'll check after 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, we'll check. We'll check one so we can change side. So we can change side now. Ayan. So we'll change side all.